Do you feel sleepy right after your afternoon thali? Or does your stomach feel tight and bloated every evening like a balloon ready to burst? You might blame the weather or say, I'm just getting older, but your body is actually trying to tell you something important. If I asked you how your stomach, your skin, and your mood are connected, you might pause. The truth is simple. Your gut is the engine room of your entire body. In today's world, stomach problems are no longer just about digestion. Bloating, skin breakouts, constant tiredness, and even low mood are often different signals coming from the same place, your gut. A damaged gut doesn't mean something is broken inside you. It means the balance of good and bad bacteria in your stomach is disturbed and the protective lining of your gut has become weak. This doesn't happen overnight. It happens slowly, sending small warning signs that we often ignore because they feel normal. Are you ignoring these 7 warning signs? Let's take a look. Sign 1. The balloon stomach. Do you feel gassy or bloated every single day? If your stomach feels tight and uncomfortable even after a simple meal of roti and dal, your gut is struggling. This usually happens when harmful bacteria grow in the wrong places and produce excess gas. This is often the very first alarm. Sign 2. The chest burn. That burning feeling in your chest or throat after meals isn't just because of spicy samosas. It often means your digestion is slow or your stomach lining is irritated. Frequent acidity is a sign to pause. Try sitting upright for at least 30 minutes after eating instead of lying down on the sofa. Sign 3. Always feeling low battery. Do you wake up tired even after a full night's sleep? When your gut isn't healthy, it can't absorb essential nutrients like iron and vitamins properly. It's like filling petrol in a car with a leaking tank. No matter how much you add, the car won't run well. Sign 4. Angry skin and constant colds. Using costly creams for acne, rashes, or itching, the real solution might be inside your body. When the gut lining becomes weak, unwanted particles leak into the bloodstream. Your immune system reacts, showing up as skin problems or frequent coughs and colds. Sign 5. Brain fog and feeling low. Ever noticed how cranky and anxious you feel when your stomach is upset?
No, listen to me! This can't wait! I'm on my way!
That's because your gut and brain are constantly talking to each other. When the gut is unhappy, it sends stress signals to the brain, making it hard to focus, stay calm, or feel motivated. Sign 6. Sugar cravings and weight gain. Do you suddenly crave biscuits or sweets around 4 p.m.? Certain harmful gut bacteria thrive on sugar. They actually send signals to your brain to demand more sweets. This creates energy crashes and pushes your body to store fat instead of burning it. Sign 7. Random aches and pains. If your joints ache and your body feels stiff without any injury, it can be due to internal inflammation caused by poor gut health. Many people call this inner heat, but the root cause often lies in digestion. So, why is this happening so often today? Modern life is tough on our stomachs. Too many packaged snacks, frequent uses of medicines like antibiotics, constant stress, late dinners, and eating while glued to screens. All of this disrupts the gut's natural rhythm and healing process. How to fix it? The simple way. Eat more veggies. Fiber works like a broom for your gut. Include more sabzi, dal, fruits, and whole foods. Try to make half your plate colorful with different vegetables at every meal. Add dahi or chas. Fermented foods feed good bacteria. A small bowl of fresh homemade curd or a glass of buttermilk is like sending helpers to repair your gut. Cut down on packaged foods. Eat less food that comes from plastic packets. A simple rule. If a 10-year-old can't read or understand the ingredients, skip it. Drink enough water. Water helps your digestion move smoothly. Think of your gut like a water slide. Without water, everything gets stuck. Keep a steel or copper bottle nearby and take a few sips regularly, especially after phone calls. Give your gut some rest. Your digestive system needs downtime to heal. Try to finish dinner by 8 p.m. This gives your body about 12 hours overnight to clean, repair, and reset itself. Taking care of your gut isn't about fancy diets or expensive supplements. It's about being kind to your body. When your gut is healthy, your skin glows, your mind feels clear, and your body feels light. Your simple task for today: add one small bowl of curd to your lunch and take a 10-minute walk after dinner. That's it. Simple, doable, and powerful. If this helps you understand your body better, share it with your family group. Let's get healthy together. Eat calmly, live well, and keep your gut happy.